So when fitting the stop end to the gutter, never push fit the stop end onto the gutter, as this can cause damage to the seal. So as you can see, the seal is torn. So before fitting the stop end onto the guttering, always silicone spray for ease of fitting. So when installing the stop end onto the guttering, always roll the stop end and then clip on. Silicone spray the gasket for ease of fitting. So before installing the gutter, always double check the length and measure from the back wall to the insertion depth on the union joint. When installing the guttering, roll it in and push fitting into the gutter clips, pulling up on the legs till you hear them click.